Hey guys, today I'm discuss topic about that how we can upload the video on Instagram using Facebook option. So in uploading Instagram, we can use only for mobile application. Does not require any mobile application for uploading video on the Instagram option. In this purpose, first of all, your Facebook page will be connecting for Instagram first option. Step 1, after creating for Instagram account and Facebook page, 2 will be connecting for Facebook page to Instagram, where option called is settings. In this option will be called Instagram option. First of all will be connect, Facebook page will be Instagram option. After connecting this option, we have to use option name is called Facebook Creator Studio option. Facebook.com creator/studio is the URL. In this URL, we have to uploading for video will be connect through Instagram. Facebook Creator Studio will be using on Facebook purpose and Instagram purpose. Selecting Instagram here. First of all, log in your account where your Instagram will be here. We can login account will be in this particular option. After login your account, create post. Selecting for Instagram feed, we can upload from Instagram by images and video option. But video will be less than 60 seconds we have to use. Less than 60 seconds. More than 60 seconds we can using for IGTV option. So right now we can using how much? Only for 60-second video in this. Add content, upload. So where it is, we have to selecting for particular video option. Where our video is there, select the video option. At a time this video will be selecting for Facebook page also. If you not required, disable it and connect to your post will be here and upload it and click for publish. Automatically this video will be published for Instagram account. They not use any third-party tools. Another website we using for Facebook option, the option will be called Facebook Creator Studio. Some people ask me one question, sir, I'm unable to log in your option for Facebook Creator Studio. The main problem, your Facebook page will be does not connecting for Instagram account. Without connect, we can't log in for Creator Studio. We can't posting for Instagram account using for Facebook Creator Studio. Finally, video will be here. In this video will be play, your particular option will be here. The video will be play, and after that we have to check and people will be like your particular video option. Any video we have to publish in the Instagram, we can use the option name is called Facebook Creator Studio.